Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? Hope all of you are doing well. Welcome back to the summary of the Zoom online class. Its subject is science. Dear students, if you remember, before the winter break, we were in the chapter number 5, that is atoms, molecules, mixtures, and compound. And we studied a lot about the matter. This topic is related to one of the branch of science that is called chemistry. Chemistry is based on the matter, its properties, and the composition. So we studied a lot about the matter, but let us recall it once again. What is matter? Matter is anything. It can be anything surrounding you, and it is anything which occupies space and which has mass. Matter has three states. It exists in solid, liquid, and gaseous state. So anything around us, like that can be solid, that can be liquid, or that can be gas. Like if we are talking about the gas, then air is one of the example of the gaseous state of matter. If we are talking about the liquid, then water is one of the examples of the liquid state of matter, right? And similarly, if we talk about the solid state, so steel can be seen everywhere. Not only steel, wood, furniture, the fabric, they are all solid. The bricks, the wall, which is made of solid matter. So all of them, they are solid. Why do we call it solid? Because they occupy space and they have particular mass. Now when it comes to the composition of matter, composition means from which the matter is made. Like what is the matter composed of? किस चीज़ से बना है? Then it is made up of small indivisible particles. And what are they called? Yes, they are called the atoms. We also studied about the matter and the atoms in the previous lectures. Let me recall you the definition of atom. What is an atom? Atom is the smallest particle of matter. Itna smallest that it cannot be even seen with any of a compound microscope. It can only be seen with the help of an electron microscope. It is so small. And then we talk about the element. What is element? Element is the purest substance of all. Purest का मतलब होता है खालिस. Now in what state can we call it pure? That it must be made from same kind of atoms. What is element? Element is anything which is made from same kind of atoms. Like it should not be having any sort of impurities. It should not be having any other kind of atoms. All the atoms, they should be same. If we are talking about hydrogen element, so it must be having only and only hydrogen atom. There should be no trace of any other atom. Let's suppose oxygen atom or chlorine atom. They must be just hydrogen atom. Similarly, if we are talking about oxygen gas or oxygen element, so oxygen element is the purest element because it is made up of only and only oxygen atom, and it is not having any trace of any other element. That is why we called element as a pure substance. Dear student, we also studied about the types of the elements. Elements, they have two types. Like they can be found in the metallic state or non-metallic state. So metals and non-metals are the different types of elements. We also studied about its composition and also about the properties and the differentiation between metals and non-metals. And the last topic which we studied before the winter break, that was about the symbol. Symbol is the identification mark, but this symbol is related to the identification mark of element. In short, we can say that symbol is the short name of an element. Any alphabet which indicate that it is an element, that is the symbol of that element. Like let's suppose we are talking about carbon. So carbon start with a C, therefore its symbol will be C. Similarly, we also studied that there are some Latin names of some elements and their symbol starts with their Latin name. For example, sodium. Sodium start with the S, but its symbol is not S, its symbol is Na. Do you remember it? Na. Why Na? Because the Latin name of sodium is natrium. Similarly, iron starts with I, but its symbol is not I. Its symbol is Fe because its Latin name is ferrum. Similarly, copper starts with the C and its spelling is COPPER, but we do not write CO or CP or CR. We write the symbol as Cu because its Latin name is cuprum. So Cu from cuprum. Molecule. Molecule is our today's topic, and we'll study the details of molecule. What is a molecule? Molecule is made up of two or more elements chemically combined. Two or more elements chemically combined. See boys, there are two types of combination. One is physical combination and chemical combination. केमिकल कॉम्बिनेशन वो कॉम्बिनेशन होती है जिसमें आपके पास जो भी चीज़ कॉम्बिनेशन के बाद बन जाती है, इट इज़ देन इम्पॉसिबल टू कन्वर्ट इट बैक इनटू इट्स रिस्पेक्टिव एलिमेंट्स. लाइक अगर आपके पास एक मॉलिक्यूल बन गया है दो या दो से ज़्यादा एलिमेंट्स से, जैसे आपके पास H2 है, H2 इज़ हाइड्रोजन गैस, H2O इज़ वाटर, इट्स द फॉर्मूला ऑफ वाटर. तो H2 भी आपके पास मॉलिक्यूल है, H2O भी मॉलिक्यूल है. H2 इज़ मेड अप ऑफ सेम काइंड ऑफ एटम्स, ठीक है, सेम हाइड्रोजन एंड हाइड्रोजन कंबाइन होते हैं और उससे आपके पास H2 का मॉलिक्यूल बनता है. H2O ये कॉम्बिनेशन है ऑक्सीजन और हाइड्रोजन की, ठीक है. अब ये वाटर जब आपके पास बनता है इट इज़ इन द लिक्विड स्टेट, लेकिन इसके एलिमेंट्स अगर आप देखें, हाइड्रोजन इज़ अ गैस एंड ऑक्सीजन इज़ ऑल्सो अ गैस, बट व्हेन दे कंबाइन केमिकली देन दे गिव अ टोटली न्यू सब्सटेंस, अ टोटली न्यू स्टेट ऑफ मैटर इज़ फॉर्म्ड विच इज़ इन द लिक्विड स्टेट, ठीक है. तो इस तरह की कॉम्बिनेशन जो होती है इट इज़ कॉल्ड द केमिकल कॉम्बिनेशन. सो व्हेन टू और मोर एलिमेंट्स केमिकली कंबाइन दे मेक अ मॉलिक्यूल, राइट. One thing more in a molecule, that a molecule is made from same kind of atoms and it can also be made from different kind of atom, right. Now let us talk about the compound. कंपाउंड की जो डेफिनेशन है वो बिल्कुल सेम टू सेम मॉलिक्यूल की तरह ही है. लाइक इसमें आपको इतना डिफ़िकल्टी नहीं होगी याद करने में. लाइक कंपाउंड इज़ ऑल्सो मेड अप ऑफ टू और मोर एलिमेंट्स केमिकली कंबाइंड. ये भी केमिकल कॉम्बिनेशन होती है. द ओनली डिफरेंस बिटवीन मॉलिक्यूल एंड कंपाउंड इज़ कि यहाँ पर आपके पास डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स से ही आप कंपाउंड बनता है. जैसे वाटर है H2O, H2O इज़ अ मॉलिक्यूल एंड H2O इज़ अ कंपाउंड. CO2 इज़ अ मॉलिक्यूल एंड CO2 इज़ अ कंपाउंड. CO2 मीन्स कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. इस तरह से अगर आपके पास ये कॉम्बिनेशन C और O की हो जाए, एक एक एटम की हो जाए, देन it becomes carbon monoxide. That is a totally new substance, a new compound. उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज़ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड से बिल्कुल डिफरेंट होती हैं, ठीक है. तो कंपाउंड इज़ ऑल्सो मेड अप ऑफ टू और मोर एलिमेंट्स बट दे आर केमिकली कंबाइंड. Now let me show you that how you are going to understand this thing with the help of a few models. This is how the scientists use model like these to show how atoms forms molecules. इसमें आपको नज़र आ रहे होंगे a few ball-like structures like this. These balls. What do these balls indicate? These balls indicate different sorts of atoms. ये मुख्तलिफ atoms आपको indicate करते हैं. From these atoms, we are going to make different molecules. What are these talks like structure? These show the bonds. Bonds क्या होते हैं? Bond is an attractive force between two atoms. जब ये दो एटम्स के बीच में एक अट्रैक्टिव फोर्स डेवलप हो जाती है तो उसको हम इस स्टार्क से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. दीज शो द सिंगल बॉन्ड एंड दीज आर द डबल बॉन्ड. ये डबल बॉन्ड को इंडिकेट करता है, ठीक है. If I have to make molecules from these models, how would I be able to make it? Like you see O2. O2 is the molecule of oxygen gas, one bit of oxygen gas, ठीक है, सबसे छोटा तरीन बिट पार्टिकल. और ये आपके पास बनता है दो सेम काइंड ऑफ एटम्स से विच आर दोज ऑफ द ऑक्सीजन. Two oxygen atoms combine chemically and what is the central part showing? It is indicating the bond. ये इनके बीच में वो attractive force है जो ये इन दो atoms को hold करके रख रहा है and then it is making one molecule of oxygen. 2 indicate the number of atoms. O indicate the symbol of oxygen. O2 means O plus O. One atom of oxygen plus another atom of oxygen, then they combine chemically. This central part is indicating the attractive force or the bond. This is the molecule of water. How the water molecule is made? You can see this orange ball. This orange ball indicates the atom of oxygen, and these small green balls indicate the atoms of hydrogen. So we are having two green balls, which means we are having two atoms of hydrogen. You can see the two right here. This H2 means two atoms of hydrogen, and O, there is nothing below O, which means that it is 1, indicating 1. One atom of oxygen combined with two atoms of hydrogen. Chemically, you can see the central part. This is the bond between them. This is the attractive force which has held them together. It makes one molecule of water. This is the molecule of carbon dioxide. You can see it. The central orange part indicates carbon. Carbon is 1 and this orange atom is also 1. Orange atom indicates carbon and these two white atoms indicate oxygen. Two atoms of oxygen combine chemically. You can see the bond over here. Chemically with carbon atom to make one molecule of carbon dioxide. Okay, di means two, oxide for the term oxygen, carbon dioxide, okay, it's a gas. Then you can see this molecule. How this molecule is made? It is made from one atom of carbon and four atoms of hydrogen. How they are made? You can see its geometrical shape. ये इस तरह से एक ज्योमेट्रिकल शेप बनाता है, ठीक है. सेंट्रल पार्ट इंडिकेट, दिस ब्लू पार्ट इंडिकेट कार्बन एटम विच इज़ 1, कार्बन एक है, एंड दीज वाइट एटम्स दे इंडिकेट हाइड्रोजन. सो हाइड्रोजन कितने हैं? 4 हैं. यू कैन सी दैट देयर आर 4 बॉन्ड्स, 1 2 3 4, ठीक है. ये अट्रैक्टिव फोर्स है और ये कार्बन के साथ मिल के आपको बना के दे रहा है मीथेन. CH4 इज़ मीथेन. मीथेन इज़ अ वेरी फ्लेमेबल गैस. बहुत फ्लेमेबल गैस होता है, फ्यूल की जगह इस्तेमाल होता है, ठीक है. और ये इसका एक मॉलिक्यूल है, कार्बन प्लस 4 atoms of hydrogen, and it makes one methane gas, one methane molecule. That's all for today, dear students. I hope आपको समझ आ गई होगी. Till next lecture, take care and Allah Hafiz.